Our Christmas of 1994. It is 45 degrees out and we decided to have a little fun out here. So Dad took Tanya and Ryan on his tractor on the sled. Before the horses over there, they were chasing the sled around and Muffy almost got Tanya in the back with her foot, but that's okay. Here they come. Look at how much fun Dad's having. He's coming right at me. So there we go. Took a dump. Almost in horse poop. There they go again. They fall off and get right back on. They fell off again.